Hey everyone, I'm going to watch this guy harvest sweet potato leaves. He got some Cogon grass. It's growing wild, them long grasses right there. There, he harvests that. He's been harvesting sweet potato leaves. He's going to use the grass to lash his harvest piles into bigger piles, transport them. This is a field of sweet potatoes. And what they do is, I believe, is they cut off some of the leaves. And that's also a good food in the soup. The leaves are great tasting. But they'll take these cuttings and they'll transplant them to grow more sweet potatoes. After they take these leaves, they will come back through and harvest the potatoes underneath. But they'll transplant this to another field to grow more sweet potatoes. Very cool. You don't have to start from seed every time or a potato every time. There he's got a pile. He's got the Cogon grass. Farm Life Philippines. Okay. Keep doing that. Haul it out, transplant it somewhere else, and eat some, even sell some. I'm not used to eating leaves of a sweet potato plant, but I've tried it over here. They like it, and I like it too. Watch again. Try not to step on anything that's... It's a little curved knife he uses to harvest the sweet potato leaves and cut the Cogon grass. I'm not sure what it's called in their language, the Tagalog. Hey, thank you, sir. My friends back home will find this very interesting. Salamat.
Thank you, sir.
Take care, Paul. All right, everyone. There's a big field. Sweet potato leaves, but they've already harvested most of it. Transplant, and then they'll dig up the potatoes later. Okay, everyone. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing. It's TIE Fighter 67. See you next time. Bye-bye.